Thinking of getting a dog? That's awesome! Let's talk about some important things to consider. First, match your lifestyle and preferences. Think about your routine, activity level, and location. Find a dog with the right energy and temperament for a harmonious bond. Next, assess time and commitment. Dogs need attention, exercise, and training. Ensure you can dedicate the necessary time for their well-being. Consider allergies and health. Choose hypoallergenic or low-shedding breeds if needed. Research breed-specific health issues for a safe environment.